welcome back to our channel. And today I'm here with a new craft. For that we need a piece board that I get from my daddy's shirt, a pair of scissors, some pistachio shells, Popsticks, straws, a colorful chart paper, some colorful paints, a paint brush and a glue. So now I will paste the chart paper on this piece board. Now I'm cutting straws and Popsticks for my craft. Now I have my pistachio shells and I have to color it for my craft. Now I'm using yellow Fevicryl color for my craft. So I have colored my petals. I will color my leaves with green. Now I'm giving finishing touch to my flower. Colored my flower petals and leaves and cutted the straws and Popsticks. Now I will do the next. I will paste all these things in a beautiful way to make my craft. Here I am using my Popsticks to make the tub. Now I've completed my craft. I hope you like my craft. If you like my craft, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye bye.